What is the philosophical basis of Pythagorean mathematics? Imagine a world where numbers are more than just symbols. They are the very fabric of the universe. That's what the Pythagoreans believed. They thought numbers and their relationships reveal the deep order of everything around us. Pythagoras and his followers saw mathematics as a way to understand the harmony that underpins nature, music, morality, and the cosmos. They believed that everything could be explained through numbers and their connections. Their idea was that mathematics isn't just about counting or shapes but about discovering the fundamental structure of reality. They divided mathematics into two parts, multitude and magnitude. Multitude is about counting and how numbers relate to each other. Magnitude deals with shapes and sizes, like lines and triangles. Both parts are seen as governed by a higher principle, which they called the circumference of mind. This meant that reason, or the intellect, frames all mathematical understanding. Numbers had symbolic meanings for the Pythagoreans. The number 1, called the monad, represented unity and the source of all things. The number 2 symbolized duality, like thought and matter. The number 3 was especially important because it represented completeness, like a beginning, middle, and end, and was linked to moral qualities such as prudence and good fortune. The number 6 stood for harmony and balance, reflecting their belief that nature and life are based on equilibrium. Geometry was a key part of their philosophy. They saw geometric figures as more than shapes. They believed these forms had cosmic significance. For example, the pentagram was revered because its lines divided according to the golden ratio, a proportion linked to beauty and natural harmony. The Pythagorean theorem, which relates the sides of a right triangle, was more than a mathematical rule. It was seen as an expression of universal truth, showing how relationships between numbers and shapes reveal the order of the universe. Their ideas went beyond math into ethics and spirituality. They believed that studying numbers and shapes could help improve the soul and morality. Numbers and ratios were thought to connect the physical world with spiritual harmony. Music, for instance, was seen as a reflection of mathematical ratios, and the universe was believed to be governed by these harmonious proportions. This way of thinking influenced many fields like architecture, astronomy, and music. The Pythagoreans used mathematical ratios and geometric principles to guide their work. Their approach laid the foundation for later developments in algebra and trigonometry. They emphasized logical reasoning and the search for universal principles, making mathematics a way to understand both the cosmos and ourselves. In essence, the core idea of Pythagorean mathematics is that numbers and their relationships form the essence of everything. They believed that by studying these relationships, we can grasp the order and harmony that make the universe work. Numbers are not just tools for counting, they are the key to understanding the very structure of reality itself.